Hey, good morning. So I'm here at Blodgett Peak Open Space, and I'm gonna try out this new trail called Fenceline. Let's go check it out. Some nice houses. Wow. That truck was pretty close. All right, made it to the park. So after a mile and a half of climbing, road biking, finally made it to the park. I'm on the maintenance trail right now and beginning the ascent. This is pretty bad. They had a fire here called the Waldo Canyon Fire in 2012. 346 homes were gone. Sad. It reaches up all the way up in the mountains. All right, made it to Fenceline. Give this a try. First time on it. Woo. Woo. Yeah, I can see where it got its name. Here's the fence. See? Woo! Man, this is fun. Whoa. Woo. Man. Yeah. Whew. What an awesome trail. So I got lucky today. Met a fellow YouTuber here, Joey. Check out his YouTube channel right here. He's the one who posted this trail here on his YouTube channel. You gotta check it out. He was shredding it. Yeah, so what are your thoughts about this trail, man?
Probably one of my new favorites. It's so fast and turns are just so supportive. There's just some little drops and techie sections that come out of nowhere, and it's like the perfect combination. It's probably one of my new favorites. Definitely recommend it.
Yeah, it's one of my new favorites too. So, hey, thanks, Joey. I appreciate it, man.
No problem.